Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to save a Pinterest video on your phone. So let's start. First open the Pinterest app and search for a video you want to download. I'll just select this one. Tap on the video and it'll start playing. Now to download this video, tap on the three dots on right hand side and tap copy link. Now open a browser and search Pinterest video download. Now go to the site with the URL expertsphp.com. If you scroll down, you'll see the download option. Now paste the link and tap download. Now if you scroll down, you'll see you can download an image of this video or download the video. Now tap download link and the video will open in a new browser window. Now long press the video and tap download video. And the video will be downloaded on your phone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.